17 പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് മേലുള്ള മാളോറച്ചന്മാരോടൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കുന്നു, ചെറുക്കനെ ചന്തം ചേർത്തട്ടെ.
Say I'm just too green, but I know how to crack that peanut. There was never any question of if I'm ever throwing in the glove. And when it fits, I'm gonna wear it. Cross my crazy heart and swear it. I see the lights glow, I feel the wind blow, I hear the crowd go. I never cared much for slow and steady, so if you're
Can't say that I'm falling for you, but lately I've been curious. If I told you that I was, would you take me serious? Or would you laugh right in my face as if there weren't a single way that me and you could work? I'm not saying that it would, but if things went a little different, would you feel the same? If I made a move, would you share my last name? I'm not saying that I'm falling, but if I was, would it be just me? Or would there be an us? Hypothetically, could I ever be the one for you? Or am I just you? Hypothetically, so far out of you, need just one word. If I were to ever go forward, would that be the only one who's open? Hypothetically, could I ever be the one for you? Would you ever feel the same? Imagine you and me a thing, now that would be hilarious. But you and me have chemistry, well that would be ridiculous. Ain't like we were ever anything, and I ain't trying to be. I'm just wondering, hypothetically, if things went a little different, would you feel the same? If I made a move, would you share my last name? Hypothetically,